Hey, how's your journey? How is your journey? Another home tour. So, I am going to go into this house and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You're going to hear someone talking in there, so I'm actually going to keep going past them so that I don't have to wait. This is the front porch, and this is a model home. You get to pick all of your own amenities. So, this is it. This is what it looks like, and then I'm going to come on in. So this one is about 3,100 square feet, and it's this one right here. And then we're building a reduced Lincoln around the corner over there, and it's that option right there. So when you come in the house, this is going to be your formal dining room. And you keep walking into the home, and you come. Let's start right here at the bathroom. And this is a half bath. Very pretty, very pretty, very pretty. And then you're going to come in, and this is the kitchen. Oh, wow. And I'm going to walk a little fast because other people are coming in. So I'm going to go into the master bedroom here. And this is the master bedroom. Very, very nice size. And I think I can see through that window that there's a porch of some kind back there, but we'll see in just a minute. And we're going to go into the master bathroom here. And the master bathroom has this great stand-up shower with a seat in it. Wow, look at that. And it has a rain head shower and a regular shower. And two nozzles, and one is probably for either. And then you have the sink, double sink, and you have the walk-in closet. The closet is not big at all. The closet is not big at all. So I'm going to open. Oh yeah, and then there's the toilet room, I guess you should call it. So we're going to come back out into the master bedroom. Oh, this is pretty. And this is enough room, too. So you got a little foyer space there, which is nice. And so now we're going to look at the laundry room. And the laundry room comes with cabinets, and it's not big at all, but it's okay. You can decorate it still if you're like me into decorating, and it does have a little hall space there for you to hang your coats and everything. I think that's super neat. So now we're going to go upstairs. You can hear me going up the stairs. It has a rail on both sides, and what I do like about this already is that it has hardwood floors. So when you come into here, I'm just going to go to the right. I'm going to go to the right. Oh my gosh. And this is, I'm guessing, the bonus room. The bonus room, and it is super duper nice. It has a door, and I'm not going to go out there, but I am going to go up to the window to show you that this is a porch. And that is the front of the house. This is the door. That's the door. This is nice. I like it. I like it. So we're coming back around the corner. And here is a full bath. Shower. The toilet is over here. Front of the house still. And then that is your dual sink. And then here's a bedroom that they've turned into a nursery. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. I won't step on that fur rug. Very nice. Nice. And then this is a walk-in closet that's big enough to walk in. So, super duper nice. And we're going to come out of there, come back down this little hall, and we're going to go over here. And here is a bedroom. It has 2 twin beds in it. And this, I think, is the side of the house. I'm not sure. The side of the house. And the big windows are very, very, very nice. That's shiplap on the walls. That is an upgrade. You don't have to have that. And then there's a closet. That's not a walk-in closet, but it is nice. So we're going to come back out of here. And this is the end of the hall. And then this is another bedroom. Another bedroom. Nice bedroom, nice size. This is a full bed, a desk, and then a nice walk-in closet. They've painted it and put shiplap on the walls, and that's very nice. I'm backing out of there, and that's bedroom number 2. And here is a bathroom. Let's cut the light on in here. And this is just like the other one. Just like the other one. Standard bathroom. Dual sink. And then this must be a closet there. And then this is another bedroom. Another bedroom. And it's 2 doors in here. So let's see what's in here. This is a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. The walls are a nice deep rich green, which says male to me. So we're going to see what's in here. Oh, that's the attic. So that door would definitely have to stay closed. And we're going to come out of here. And we're going to see what's in this hallway right here. Oh, that's a nice deep linen closet. Nice. 2 doors. So you can open it and use the floor space. And it has 4 shelves on there. That's really, really, really nice. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bedrooms, a bonus room, and another bathroom. So there's the nursery, the bathroom, bonus room, porch. Super duper nice. Super duper nice. And I'm going to go ahead on and confess now that when I saw this, I did not think at all that I would like it. I do like it. I do. I think it's nice. Okay, so I'm coming back down the stairs because I want to show you the kitchen, and I want to show you it more in detail. So this is a bar here that has the stools, and you can see the refrigerator, the range, and the microwave sit right next to each other. And this is a gas oven here. This is actually, you're going to be your living room and another little dining area right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. 5 windows. A nice fireplace. And then I'm coming down to the end of it, and we're going to go outside. And this is the back of the house, and this is the porch that sits off of the main master suite. So you get a porch, and you get, I'm sure this is probably an upgrade, but oh my gosh, you get a fireplace outside, and that is super duper nice. Super duper nice. One area that is their office now is going to be your formal That's going to be your formal dining area. And someone is in there now, but I'm definitely going to give you a picture of it no matter what. So where she is sitting is your formal dining room, but I am going to show you that right before the formal dining room is the butler's pantry. And that's the butler's pantry there. And these two doors right here are a pantry. So this is the farm sink and the dishwasher, and you have the cabinets here on the bottom, and you have that sink. You sit there, and then that's not, oh, I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. This is super duper nice. I'm trying to go slow to see if they'll come out of there. So if you go back around here, this is going to be your two-car garage here. This is your two-car garage, and since this is a model home, of course, this is where you're going to sit down and do your business and pick your amenities that you want in your home. But you would come in through that door, and where you see all of these wood planks for you to choose your floor, that would be your garage door, so that you would come in towards where I'm standing. So now you just get a good picture of, the products that they use in the home. And then you would come out of your garage and you would step up into your home. And now I am back at the front door. And then this would be your formal dining room. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I will be bringing the mister to see this home. Thank you so much. Please, before you leave this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a blessed journey.